The McLaren Elva stands as a testament to McLaren's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. As part of the Ultimate Series, which includes icons like the P1, Senna, and Speedtail, the Elva distinguishes itself with a radical design that omits a traditional windshield, roof, and side windows, offering an unfiltered driving experience. Design and aerodynamics. The Elva's design is a modern homage to the open-top race cars of the 1960s. Its sleek, sculpted body is crafted entirely from carbon fiber, ensuring both strength and lightness. One of the most innovative features is the Active Air Management System (AAMS), which channels air through the front of the car and over the cockpit, creating a virtual windshield that deflects airflow over the occupants, enhancing comfort at high speeds. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the Elva is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 815 PS, approximately 804 horsepower, and 800 Newton-meters of torque. This powerhouse enables the Elva to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.8 seconds and reach 200 km per hour in 6.7 seconds. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring rapid gear shifts and optimal performance. Driving experience. Driving the Elva is described as an exhilarating experience. The absence of a windshield and roof immerses the driver in the environment, heightening the senses and connection to the road. The car's lightweight construction, combined with its powerful engine and advanced aerodynamics, provides exceptional handling and responsiveness. Despite its raw performance, the Elva remains manageable and enjoyable to drive, even in everyday conditions. Interior and features. Inside, the Elva maintains a minimalist yet luxurious approach. The cabin features high-quality materials and a driver-focused layout. A centrally mounted touchscreen controls most of the car's functions, reducing clutter and emphasizing simplicity. Optional features include a bespoke audio system with marine-grade speakers, designed to withstand the elements given the car's open nature. Exclusivity and customization. McLaren initially planned to produce 399 units of the Elva but later reduced this number to 149 to enhance exclusivity. Each Elva can be customized through McLaren Special Operations (MSO), allowing owners to tailor the car to their preferences, from unique paint colors to personalized interior details. Conclusion. The McLaren Elva is a bold statement in the world of supercars, combining cutting-edge technology with a purist approach to driving. Its unique design and performance capabilities offer an unparalleled driving experience for those seeking something truly extraordinary.